Yes, teaching academic writing in certain respects is very different. It requires an understanding of the academic community that your students are entering, because if they're to enter it successfully, you need to know what they need to provide. And therefore, it might be based around the academic conventions, whether to use APA or Harvard, if they're using citations. It might be the format of the kind of text they write. It might even be having to find out, well, what kind of text the students write in that situation. But it's also no. And the reason for that is that a good teacher is a good teacher. Whether you are teaching students to write holiday postcards or teaching them to write PhD theses, all of the good, high quality teaching techniques that you use in the general English classroom, rapport, using scaffolding, these are true for both. So my advice to you would be, if you're interested in academic writing, you might need to do a little bit of research, but don't think you need to leave all your other qualities at the door. You don't. Take them into the classroom and use those motivationally to get you going. First of all, the main thing that you really need is passion and a love for teaching writing. If you don't enjoy doing that in the general English or the IELTS classroom, then you're probably not going to be the right person for teaching academic writing. Next bit of advice, work on it step by step. You're probably not going to start out by helping students write their PhD thesis, but a great stepping stone from general English is to teach high stakes exams like Cambridge First, Cambridge Advanced and the essay question, and then of course the question 2 in task 2 in IELTS writing. From there, many people get into academic writing by working on university pre-sessional courses. Talk to the course director, look at the course material, but of course also use your colleagues and look out on the internet to see what materials like this masterclass are available for you. Find out, what are your students expected to do? Find out, what does the finished product look like? Analyze the tasks, analyze the texts that they're writing, think about their structure, think about their conventions, make sure that you know what you're doing, and that's a really good way to get involved. We all have to start somewhere. Here in the UK, if particularly you're teaching at a university, you may need a further level qualification, like a diploma or an MA. But we all started somewhere. And if you're writing, if you're teaching writing for general English, that's a really good starting point for a successful career in academic writing. Good luck, and I hope it goes well.